Vice President, Mr. Speaker, members of the Senate, of the House of Representatives, yesterday, December 7th, 1941, a date which will live in infamy. The United States of America was suddenly and deliberately attacked by naval and air forces of the Empire of Japan. The United States was at peace with that nation, and at solicitation of Japan, still in conversation with its government and its emperor, looking toward the maintenance of peace in the Pacific. Indeed, 1 hour after Japanese air squadrons had commenced bombing in the American island of Oahu, the Japanese ambassador to the United States and his colleague delivered to our Secretary of State a formal reply to a recent American message. While this reply stated that it seemed useless to continue the existing diplomatic negotiations, it contained no threat or hint of war or of armed attack. It will be recorded that the distance of Hawaii from Japan makes it obvious that the attack was deliberately planned many days or even weeks ago. During the intervening time, the Japanese government has deliberately sought to deceive the United States by false statements and expressions of hope for continued peace. The attack yesterday on the Hawaiian Islands has caused severe damage to American naval and military forces. I regret to tell you that very many American lives have been lost. In addition, American ships have been reported torpedoed on the high seas between San Francisco and Honolulu. Yesterday, the Japanese government also launched an attack against Malaya. Last night, Japanese forces attacked Hong Kong. Last night, Japanese forces attacked Guam. Last night, Japanese forces attacked the Philippine Islands. Last night, the Japanese attacked Wake Island. And this morning, the Japanese attacked Midway Island. Japan has therefore undertaken a surprise offensive extending throughout the Pacific area. The facts of yesterday and today speak for themselves. The people of the United States have already formed their opinions and well understand the implications for the very life and safety of our nation. As Commander-in-Chief of the Army and Navy, I have directed that all measures be taken for our defense. But always will our whole remember the character of the onslaught against us. No matter how long it may take us to overcome this premeditated invasion, the American people in their righteous might will win through to absolute victory.
This is a talk on national security. Because the nub of the whole purpose of your presence is to keep you now and your children later, and your grandchildren much later, out of a last-ditch war for the preservation of American independence. Of all the things that American independence means to you and to me and to ours. Never before, since Jamestown and Plymouth Rock, has our American civilization been in such danger as now. The Nazi masters of Germany have made it clear that they intend not only to dominate all life and thought in their own country, but also to enslave the whole of Europe, and then use the resources of Europe to dominate the rest of the world. In view of the nature of this undeniable threat, it can be asserted properly and categorically that the United States has no right or reason to encourage talk of peace until the day shall come when there is a clear intention on the part of the aggressor nation to abandon all thought of dominating or conquering the world. The forces of the states that are leagued against all people who live in freedom are being held away from our shores. The German and Italians are being blocked on the other side of the Atlantic by the British and by the Greeks and by thousands of soldiers and sailors who are able to escape from subjugated countries. The Japanese are being engaged in China, in Asia, by the Chinese nation in another great defense. In the Pacific Ocean is our fleet, a gun loaded with explosive bullets, economic as well as military. Frankly and definitely, there is danger ahead. Danger against which we must prepare. But we well know that we cannot escape danger or the fear of it by crawling into bed and pulling the covers over our heads. Germany has said that she was occupying Belgium to save the Belgians from the British. Would she hesitate then to say to any South American country, we are occupying you to protect you from aggression by the United States? Belgium is being used as an invasion base against Britain, now fighting for its life. And any South American country in Nazi hands would always constitute a jumping-off place for German attack on any one of the other republics of this hemisphere. We think of Hawaii as an outpost of defense in the Pacific, yet the Azores are closer to our shores in the Atlantic than Hawaii is on the other side.
Готов выдвигаться. Готов.
There are those who say that the Axis powers would never have any desire to attack the Western Hemisphere. This is the same dangerous form of wishful thinking which has destroyed the powers of resistance of so many conquered people. Let us no longer blind ourselves to the undeniable fact that the evil forces which have crushed, undermined, and corrupted so many others are already within our own gates. Your government knows much about them. Every day is ferreting them out. Their secret emissaries are active in our own and neighboring countries. They seek to stir up suspicion and dissension, cause internal strife. They try to turn capital against labor and vice versa. They try to reawaken long slumbering racial and religious enmities, which should have no place in this country. And there are also American citizens, many of them in high places, who unwittingly, in most cases, are aiding and abetting the work of these agents. I do not charge these American citizens with aiding foreign agents, but I do charge them with doing exactly the kind of work that the dictators want done in the United States. The experience of the past 2 years has proven beyond doubt that no nation can appease the Nazis. No man can tame a tiger into a kitten by stroking it. There can be no appeasement with ruthlessness. There can be no reasoning with an incendiary bomb.
До приказа! Готов. Так точно! Брось! Готов выдвигаться. Я готов. Я готов. Слушаю. Принимаю прикрытие. Внимание! Готов! Выходим! Готов подвигаться. Готов подвигаться. Вперед, выходим! И так. Готов? Готов подвигаться. Готов. 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 Готов.
офицеры армии и флота, генералы и адмиралы, товарищи рабочие и работники, колхозники и колхозницы, работники науки, техники и искусства, служащие советских учреждений и предприятий. Боевые друзья, от имени и по поручению советского правительства и Всесоюзной коммунистической партии большевиков приветствую и поздравляю вас с великой победой над германским империализмом. Сегодня столица нашей Родины Москва от имени Родины чествует доблестных советских воинов, одержавших эту победу. Сегодня воины-победители пронесут по улицам Москвы и мимо стен Чудового Кремля свои боевые знамена, покрытые бессмертной славой многочисленных побед. 4 года назад немецко-фашистские полчища по-разбойничьи напали на нашу страну. Советский народ вынужден был оставить мирный труд и взяться за оружие, чтобы отстоять честь, свободу и независимость своего Отечества. Война с фашистской Германией этим коварным и сильным врагом явилась для нас тяжелым и грозным испытанием. Однако наш советский народ, наша Красная Армия не падали духом. Отразив натиск немецких войск, Красная Армия перешла в решительное наступление, очистила от врага советскую землю, перенесла войну на территорию Германии, наглу разгромила гитлеровскую армию и возвратила знамя победы над Берлином. Соединенными усилиями великих держав Советского Союза, Соединенных Штатов Америки и Великобритании фашистская Германия повержена в прах. Ее чудовищная военная машина разрушена. Преступное гитлеровское правительство уничтожено. Очаг немецко-фашистской агрессии в Европе ликвидирован. Человечество избавлено от своего злейшего врага германского фашизма. Ныне все признают, что в достижении исторической победы над Германией Советский Союз играл главную решающую роль. На протяжении 3 лет Красная Армия один на один сражалась против вооруженных сил Германии и ее сателлитов. В Отечественной войне Красная Армия честью оправдала великое доверие народа. Ее славные воины достойно священный свой долг перед Родиной. Красная армия не только отстояла свободу и независимость нашего Отечества, но и избавила от немецкого ига народы Европы. Отныне и навсегда наша победоносная Красная Армия войдет в мировую историю как армия-освободительница, овеянная ореолом немеркнущей славы. Отечественная война завершена. Одержана победа, какой еще не знала история. Источниками этой великой победы являются наш социалистический строй, мудрое руководство большевистской партии, правильная политика советского правительства, морально-политическое единство народов нашей страны, исполинская сила Красной Армии и доблестный труд советского народа. Товарищи, победу над германским империализмом мы завоевали ценой тяжелых жертв. Жестоких битвах с врагом стало смерть храбрых много наших боевых друзей, лучших сынов и дочерей нашего народа. Сегодня день великого торжества. Почтим их священную память и произнесем вечная слава героям. Наши стоят за наши советские роды. Товарищи, сегодняшний день войдет в историю как яркие демонстрации силы и могущества нашего государства и его вооруженных сил. Здравствует наша победа! Слава победоносным воинам, отстоявшим честь, свободу и независимость нашей Родины! Слава